it's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys the deets on this hair, okay? This unit. So this unit is by Outre, and it is a daily wig. The daily wig. So it's a Wear Me On the daily wig. I don't even know when this came out. It's in the style Moira, and I got it in the color number 1B. This was like the only color available. I wanted to try something like that, but what are you gonna do? Okay, so it's hand tied. It has a hand tied lace part and a pre-attached elastic band. You guys, they are coming through with these wigs. It's been a minute since I did a wig review on this channel. So I purchased this wig from Elevate Styles. I actually got 3 wigs. I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite part about this wig. There was no lace to cut. No lace to cut. Now I don't know if, because the packaging was kind of iffy, so I don't know if somebody had already cut it and put it back in there. However, it wasn't no lace for me to cut, which I'm very happy about. Also, this wig is versatile. You can wear it as a middle part, which is what I'm wearing it right now. It's kind of crooked though, so you can wear it as a middle part, and you can also wear it as a right part. So I got the part on the right. Yes, sis. Super cute, right? Or you can put the part to the left, because we love some versatility over here, you know what I'm saying? We like to switch it up. I might want to wear a middle part one day. I might want to wear a left part, a right part, you know? Hold on, let me make that a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Uh-oh, we got them stragglies. Okay, so this is the part on the left. Left, right, left. So we like this. This is cute, except for the hair that keeps getting in my face. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Okay, so this is super cute. This is so sexy. I love it. I love it so much. Outre, y'all came through. I love it. I will probably wear the right part more because it's easier for me. And this is a close-up of the parting. I wouldn't add no edges or anything like that because I suck at edges, but what you gonna do? But this is cute. So I could I just like it. I like the versatility of it. I like that they already have the elastic band in there. This is big head, small head friendly. So if I wanted to like do it like that, of course with some earrings, but, or if I wanted to let it hang on both, you know, I can do that. I can do that, you know. Or if I want it all in the back, I could do that too. Yes. So yes, you guys, I freaking love this. Out of all the other 2, this one is my favorite out of all 3 wigs. This is my favorite. Let me show y'all what the back looks like. So it comes down to there. I love it. Oh my gosh. Wait, can y'all see? Okay, yeah, so right there. I freaking love it so freaking much, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I don't know what hair I'm gonna wear tomorrow, but we're wearing a new hair. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.